Tyre Nichols' mom took the stand on the first day of the state trial to remind everyone who her son was as a person. Now, day 4 in the courtroom, witnesses are now humanizing the former officers charged with murder. ABC 24's Lauren Turman is live at 201 Poplar outside of the courtroom with more on the testimonies that are shaping this case and the details emerging about Tyre's final moments. Lauren, what can you tell us?
Standing and looking at Tyre, who was on the ground, propped against the police.
A total of 7 witnesses took the stand today, Pepper, moving much faster than the other days of this trial, many of whom highlighted the character of the ex-officers. And from a pastor to medical personnel to other officers, many of these witnesses really put a lot more emphasis on that character, saying many of these officers were good, and really highlighted what exactly these interactions were between these ex-officers and their community, as well as their former co-workers.
Very caring, laid back, and understanding.
He was a humble guy, well-mannered, listened.
I'd say he's a man of integrity. I'd say he's a man of the truth.
All of these men defining their experiences with ex-Memphis police officers Demetrius Haley, Justin Smith, and Taddarius Bean in day 4 of their state trial.
He's probably one of my favorite trainees, as we call him. He went above and beyond. I didn't have to repeat myself twice, which I really respected in him.
Haley, Smith, and Bean face multiple charges, including aggravated assault, kidnapping, and second-degree murder in Tyre Nichols' death. After the prosecution rested their case Wednesday, the defense continued calling their witnesses, including forensic pathologist Dr. Jane Turner, who outlined Tyre's diagnoses after his beating.
The rhabdomyolysis developed later, subsequent to Mr. Nichols already having such severe kidney disease that he had to undergo dialysis.
Other witnesses include a victim of a car break-in, former Memphis police officer Preston Hemphill, and an EMT fired for violating Memphis Fire Department policies. The defense again concentrated on the stolen credit cards found in Nichols' car.
What was stolen from your car?
Of course, my wallet, which of course had money in it, some debit cards.
While the prosecution focused on the officer's first interactions with Tyre.
Did you ever see him punch somebody during this traffic stop?
No, sir.
Did you ever see him kick anybody during this traffic stop?
No, sir.
Did he ever cuss at y'all during the traffic stop?
No, sir.
And a couple of more things that I want to emphasize to you before I wrap up here. First is that court adjourned for the day shortly before 5 p.m. And of course, we'll pick right back up here tomorrow morning. But I also want to take you back to comments by Dr. Jane Turner, because really for one of the first times in this entire case, we're getting a clearer picture of what exactly happened in between the time of Tyre Nichols' beating and his death, of really what had happened in that hospital. Dr. Turner said that all of his organs failed, that they were not functioning when he arrived at the hospital, and she also said that his heart stopped 25 minutes before he arrived at the hospital, before he was put on dialysis for kidney disease, and before he was put on those machines to try to save his life. Live at the Shelby County Criminal Court, I'm Lauren Turman, ABC 24 News.